You might be thinking, nasa isang hotel ako right now. But I'm not. This is actually one of Megaworld's newest project here in Makati. And today, I'm going to give you an exclusive tour on what this project looks like. Tara! So welcome to the grand lobby of Dion Tower. So dito pa lang sa pagpasok, hotel na yung vibe niya. So nandito yung reception area natin. Yan. So dito actually you can really notice yung lobby natin high ceiling siya. So talaga akala mo nasa hotel talaga yung vibe, di ba? So dito may mga seats tayo for the guests. And sobrang lawak ng lobby natin, no? You can accommodate some guests here kahit maghintay sila dito. Hindi sila mainit kasi maganda yung place natin. And now, nandito naman ako sa Bion West or Tower 2. And let's take a look then. Tara! So, same with Bion Tower, you can really tell talagang napakaganda yung lobby natin. No? So, in here, this will be the reception area. And 24/7 na rin yung security natin. Ayan. And take a look dito. You can really appreciate the interior, the design of this lobby. Napakaganda.
And for additional security, naka-RFID na yung elevator natin.
So welcome dito sa 11th floor. So dito sa 11th floor, nandito lahat ng mga amenities natin. So starting for the kids, we have daycare here, of course. So if you have children, no, talagang may enjoy nila dito yung ating little playroom. So dito naman yung library natin. So if you like reading books or you want to have a quiet place, no? So meron tayong dedicated space or room for that, of course. So you can read books, relax. So nandito naman tayo ngayon sa gym. So if you like doing exercise, if you're into fitness, no? No need for you to go far or to go to any gym, no? Kasi nandito na yan sa amenity level natin. So we have, meron tayo dito for the cardio, ayan, and then we also have, of course, for your weight. Welcome to the pool area of Bion Tower in Bion. Sobrang ganda nitong pool area natin because it has a good view of the Makati City skyline. Especially naka-infinity style na rin yung ating pool here. So this is actually a 25 meters lap pool that you can enjoy. And then that way over there, that's gonna be the kiddie pool. So dito pa lang, you can really tell sobrang nice na ng condominium na to. So welcome dito sa function room ng Bion Tower. So if you have gatherings or events or birthdays, pwede nyong i-rent yung space na to accommodate your guests. I could say plenty of guests na rin yung pwede nyo accommodate dito sa place na to. So nandito naman ako in between Bion Tower and Bion West. This will act as the connecting bridge of the two towers. So it's like a mini park here na mayroong mini playground for the kids. So welcome naman dito sa amenities ng Bion West. So dito, we have also a game room where you can play billiards, and then at the same time, we also have table tennis. Sobrang nice kasi not all condominiums meron ganitong amenities. In here, kung may bisita kayo or meron kayong family na dumating, pwede kayo mag-play and bond together here.
Meron din ditong dance studio, so if you're into dancing, pwede nyo itong gamitin for practice.
So, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa actual unit ng Bion Tower. So, I'm going to give you a tour on what the actual unit looks like. So, this is actually a 2-bedroom unit and this is also a corner unit. So, isa to sa pinakamagandang unit here in Bion Tower. So, first of all, this unit here, all units here will come with digital lock set. So, no need for you to use a key na kasi you can just use your fingerprint or you can just use a code here. So upon entering, this is the actual living area. So this part here, this is the enclosed kitchen. Ayan. So pwede nyo itong lagyan ng sliding door here para hindi lumabas yung amoy ng niluluto. So of course, the granite countertop. So gamit na lang yung need natin. And It also comes with the soft closing cabinets. So nandito naman yung provision for the washer. Ayan. And over here, nandito naman yung toilet and bath. So yung toilet and bath natin, it comes with the motion sensor lights and everything that you see here, that's the actual finish.
All you need here will be the water heater na lang. So meron na rin siyang provision so you can easily install it.
And over here, let's see yung balcony natin. Dito sa balcony natin, since this is a corner unit, sobrang ganda ng view natin.
So in here, this is actually the view of your balcony. You can actually see here the Makati City skyline. And since hindi siya obstructed by the high-rise building, you can also see here yung Manila Bay sunset, especially in the afternoon. Sobrang ganda.
So this is the first bedroom. Bedrooms natin here, it comes with their own closet or modular closet. And then we also have here the good view. No, unobstructed yung view natin dito. So napaka-nice talaga yan. And then overlooking of the pool area. This unit or all units here in Ian Tower also equipped with smart home. So yung switch natin dito, hindi na siya yung typical switch. It comes with the smart home. So kahit nakahiga na kayo or you're not in the unit, you can turn off or on all the appliances here on your unit. And dito naman tayo sa master's bedroom. Tara. So sa master's bedroom, it has also an access sa balcony. Ayan. Overlooking din ng ating pool area. Diba? Ang ganda. And the city view of the Makati City skyline. Kasama na rin dito yung 3 modular closet of this unit. So if you're interested, this is still available right now. So you can message me if you're interested or you want to know more about this unit here. And of course, all units din here in Ian Tower, magkakaroon din tayo ng ganito. So this is actually a video and audio intercom that is connected to the lobby. So just in case mayroon kayong visitor or may delivery parcels kayo, you can actually view the lobby here to check if nandiyan na yung visitor ninyo. So if you want to know more about this project located here in Chino Roces, Magallanes, Makati City, pwede nyo akong kontakin on my number below or we can schedule a site tour dito sa actual project. This is Carlo Navarez, your property consultant from Megaword Corporation.